Good morning. You are listening to Kanak Keswani, your news anchor of Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 17 June from around the world. Clash with India. Comes China, flexes muscles in region. 3 Indian soldiers were killed in clashes with Chinese troops high in the Himalayas, the army said Tuesday, making the most serious conflict between the two nuclear armed neighbors in decades. The deaths occurred in the mountainous region of Ladakh, where India and China share a dispute but largely peaceful border. No Indian soldiers have been killed in clashes on the frontier between the two countries since 1975. An officer and 2 soldiers died during a violent face-off late Monday that caused casualties on both sides, the army said in a statement. India's first fight against COVID effective. We have had least number of casualties, PM Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi Tuesday asserted that the country's fight against the novel coronavirus has been effective and that India is one of the countries that has the lowest number of casualties. In his opening remarks at a meeting with chief ministers and LT governors of 21 states and union territories, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said, "For us, the death of even one Indian is unsettling, but it is also true that India is one of the countries where there have been least deaths." He also said that when the country's fight with the novel coronavirus will be analyzed in the future, it will be remarked and served as an example of cooperative federalism. Premier League. In the time of COVID-19, a whole different ball game. With the Premier League restarting on Wednesday behind closed doors, the authorities have issued strict protocols to ensure stadiums are as safe as possible for everybody present. Stadiums for the rest of the seasons have been divided into 3 zones, and among others, spitting and nose clearing will be banned. UK trial shows dexamethasone drug saves 1 of 3 severe COVID cases. Giving low doses of the generic steroid drug dexamethasone to patients admitted to hospital with COVID-19 reduced death rates by around a third among those with the most severe cases of infection, trial data showed on Tuesday. The results, described as a major breakthrough by scientists leading the UK-led clinical trial known as Recovery, suggests the drug should immediately become standard care in patients treated in hospitals with the pandemic disease, the researchers said. Global updates of coronavirus. Global cases surpassed 8 million, while over 4.36 people have succumbed to the infection. While European border reopened, China is scrambling to control the spread of the fresh outbreak of coronavirus in Beijing, amid fears of a second wave of the infection in the country. Reopening continued in the Mexico and Brazil, despite cases climbing in the two largest nations in Latin America, and New Zealand, which had eased the curbs, reported its first new case on May 22nd. I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.